In this video today I'll show you how to get paid online very easily with PayPal Money. All we need is a smartphone device or a PC and an internet connection. You can make it work as a complete beginner and also for absolutely free. But in order to get every step right, you need to keep watching till the end of this video so you can get the desired results. But as always, before I start with this tutorial, I want to remind all of you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you won't miss any future video to come, since you'll get updated whenever I upload a brand new strategy on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. If you love this type of content, then give this video a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below. Without any further ado, let's start with this tutorial so I can show you everything. And since I'm going to give you multiple platforms, make sure to keep watching because you can get easily lost and confused. The very first platform that I want to give you is this one here called Zerklami. This is over at zerklami.com. So you're going to see that you can make money online on your phone, computer or tablet, wherever you are in the world, and also without any investment. You can get this app also on App Store and Google Play Store, so this is available for both Android and iOS devices. So let's take a look of what this platform offers. This is like a full-time or additional job for all of the people all around the world. You can earn money on any device with access to the internet. Just like I mentioned before, you'll get paid for your time spent and on this platform. So you're going to see that you're going to have everything under your control. You can choose how you want to earn money, and you have different tasks over here like playing games, completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online and creating accounts. You're going to collect your profits then, and there is no limit of your earnings. As you can see, you can set your own working hours, so it depends on you on how much time and effort you want to put on this actually. So you're going to see over here that in order to start making money today with Zerklami, you need to register for absolutely free if you want to use the desktop version, just like I'm doing right now. And it's going to take you over to this page where you can sign up with your Google account or Microsoft account, or you can register with your email address and also put a password and click on the next step. After that, you're going to put some other information about yourself, and then you'll be able to get access to your dashboard. And this is how it's going to look like. This is going to be your dashboard where you can track your balance and your estimated earnings, how much money you have made so far, yesterday, the last 7 days, and also this month. Of course, mine says $0 for now because this is like a brand new account, because I wanted to show you all of the sign up process step by step. What you need to do in order to start earning with Zerklami is to go over to the earn button right here, or earn section, and once you click on it, you're going to see the method of earnings. You're going to see over here that you can play games, fill out surveys, watch videos and online shopping. And in order to get started, you're going to click on the earn button, and it's going to give you, for example, some of the games that you can play. Also, you're going to see some information per each of these sections, per each of these online activities. For example, about playing games, you have some information that you can make like from $1 up to $100 for completing a task in a game. What you need to do, so you need to install the game that you like, and then you're going to complete a specific task that you're going to be asked, and then you're going to see that some tasks take several days to complete. The more difficult task, the more money you're going to earn. About surveys, you're going to see that you can make like up to $15 per each completed survey, which is pretty good actually. You need to complete surveys depending on your interest, and you're going to see here that it's going to spend a little more time actually. You have watch videos over here, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online actually. You can get paid like from 1 to 10 points for each video, and of course you can redeem those points for money. You need to watch like a 30 seconds video ad, and after clicking on start watching video, a new video will appear. So after 30 seconds you'll be able to get paid for watching that video, and I highly recommend you don't close the ad or window during monetization because you won't earn money. You can just leave it play in the background and you can do something else instead. You have here online shopping, and you can get up to $15 for purchasing a product. You need to buy like various products and try out free trials. The amount that you'll get back depends on the value of the product that you have purchased. To make the purchase correctly, you're going to follow all of the orders and the steps that I'm going to give you. You also have a referral program over here, so you can refer friends over at Zerklami and you can get paid again and again actually. So let's proceed to the second platform for today, which is this one here called Surveys on the Go, and this is over at surveysonthego.com. So you're going to see here that your opinion is very important for them, and also your time is valuable. So they are going to pay you for making this app a part of your daily routine. You're going to earn cash, not points. They are going to save your privacy. They're going to fit your lifestyle, and you can earn from anywhere. And also you're going to get paid for referring new people over here. As you can see, everyone loves cash, so they pay you in PayPal money and also in gift cards if you want to, from Visa, Amazon, and Starbucks. As you can see, you're going to see that you deserve to be paid, and you're going to earn cash every day, because you're going to see that even while you're at the store or eating out, a survey will pop up, and you're going to share your opinions, and you're going to get paid again and again. So it depends on you on how much time you want to put on this. And don't worry, because your privacy is going to be protected. They protect your data, and of course you'll be able to earn cash once you have hit like $10. You'll be able to cash out. So as you can see over here, something very important is that Surveys on the Go is also available on App Store and Google Play Store. So the apps that I'm giving you today are available for both Android users and iOS users. So if you go over to Google Play Store, you're going to see Surveys on the Go, how it looks like, and you can make like from $1 to $5 per each survey, and some of them even pay like $10. So it's really good actually to get paid like up to $10 per each survey, and you can get paid a lot even if you combine these platforms with the other one that I'm going to show you today. Here on Google Play Store, they have like more than 92,000 of reviews with 4.4 stars, which shows that this is pretty good. Actually, this is like a legit platform that people love. You're going to find it over at App Store, as I mentioned before, and they have like 4 stars reviews over here, which is loved even on App Store. The last platform that I want to give you is this one here called Observa Earn Money. Make PayPal money or Bitcoin, and I guess you are interested in making some PayPal money. Let's see how this is going to work. You're going to join more than 400,000 of people who are acting as a secret shoppers or observers. You're going to just head to the stores, you're going to snap some photos, answer a couple of questions, and then now and then you'll also speak to a store associate, as it says right here. You're going to see here that Observa is fun, fast and easy way to make PayPal money, and you can get paid like between $4 and up to $20 per each gig. You're going to get paid through PayPal or Coinbase, as it says right here. So you're just going to get paid by giving some of your opinions, and also by just taking some photos where you are at your favorite shops. And you can also find it on App Store, just like I mentioned before, with 4.4 stars, which is also loved over here. With that said, this is it for today's video, guys. Give this video a thumbs up, a comment down below, and also subscribe to our channel, Lady Nemia's World. Thank you for watching.